Confused by all the diet hype? Here's the truth. Keto is the most effective way to burn fat fast, paleo is your long-term blueprint for health, and carnivore is a dead end. If you're trying to lose weight and feel better, start with keto. Once you've hit your goal, shift to paleo for sustainability. Skip carnivore. It's extreme, unrealistic, and likely unhealthy. Keto is a low-carb, high-fat diet designed to put your body into ketosis, a metabolic state where you burn fat for fuel instead of glucose. You eat meats, fish, eggs, healthy fats like avocado and olive oil, and very low carbs, mainly leafy greens. You cut sugar, grains, and even most fruits. The result? Rapid fat loss, reduced hunger, more energy, and stabilized blood sugar. Keto works because it starves your body of sugar, forcing it to become metabolically efficient. It's especially effective for those who are overweight, insulin-resistant, or have metabolic issues, but it's not meant to be forever. Once you've burned off the fat and restored your health, it's time to transition. Paleo is about eating the way humans evolved to eat, whole, real foods that a hunter-gatherer would recognize: meats, fish, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. No grains, dairy, legumes, refined sugar, or processed junk. It's moderate in carbs, but the focus is on food quality, not macros. Paleo is less restrictive than keto, easier to maintain, and rich in nutrients. It supports gut health, hormone balance, and long-term weight stability. That's why I recommend shifting to paleo after your weight loss phase on keto. You'll maintain results without feeling deprived. Now, let's talk carnivore, a diet that eliminates everything except animal products: meat, eggs, and sometimes dairy. Some claim it cures inflammation, but there's no long-term evidence. No fiber, no vitamins from fruits or vegetables, no variety. Bottom line? It's extreme, likely unsustainable, and doesn't reflect how humans actually ate. Our ancestors didn't skip berries, honey, or wild greens when they were hungry. They were opportunistic eaters, not dogmatic carnivores. That's why I don't recommend carnivore. It's not realistic or balanced. Here's the smart path. Start with keto to drop weight and heal your metabolism. Transition to paleo to maintain results and nourish your body long-term. Avoid carnivore. It's a fad that cuts out too much. Food isn't the enemy, it's the cure. Food is medicine.